Right, this time, not showing off my laptop, but I'm upgrading it so that I can show off in the future to my friends, if I have any. This time, there we have some RAM, 8GB stick, HyperX impact memory. Here's a knife. It's used to cut the bottom of it's used to cut the RAM open. So let's just suppose I can cut it from here then. Done. Easy. There it is. Also, don't mind the mouse mat. I'm trying to use it as an anti-static mat of sorts. Don't know if it works, but we'll see. Anyways, this is the top of it. We don't need that. Interested in the bottom of it. There are a total of a few screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 screws? I think it's 11 screws. Anyways, I'll open it up. Okay, so I now have it opened. It's unscrewed already, so there it is. It's just the back cover here. Nothing much really. These are actually, if I'm not mistaken, these are thermal pads for the hard drive. There's actually one on the SSD as well. That's the Wi-Fi card. Underneath there is where the RAM is. So got some plastic pry tools here. Try and pry it open. I did it once before. I don't remember exactly where to pry it from. Exactly where it is safe to pry it from at least. Hang on. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, there we go. I think because I did it once before, it gotten loose. Can just... Yeah, there we go. Here's just a RF shield, I suppose. And there's the RAM. It's really hard to see actually with this angle. There it is. Green PCBs, no good. There's an extra RAM slot where this... Oh, it's dropped out. At least I didn't drop it. Here is a black PCB one. This is actually CL15 RAM. Well, the one in there right now is CL19, so lower latency as well, so it's actually really easy to install. Line it up. It's actually very hard to see in it. Okay, I'll grab my camera out. Alright, so it wants to focus, that is. Right. Focusing? Yep, focused. So there's a tiny notch there, which lines up with the notch right there. If it wants to focus, it doesn't want to. So just put it in. It's hard to do this with one hand. Put it in at an angle. Yeah. It's been a while since I last installed laptop RAM memory. Oh, there we go. It's in now. Once it's in, just push it down. There we go. It's clipped in place. Clipped by this one and that clip, and there it is. 16 gigs of RAM, 16 gig dual channel memory. I should have unplugged the battery, but well, whatever. YOLO, right? So hopefully now I'll put the thing back together and show Task Manager. I think I'll show Task Manager. Sure, why not? I can. Okay, right. I have finished upgrading my RAM. So far it has been successful because my laptop has well started up, as you can see. Now if we check Task Manager, just let me maximize that. Performance, memory, 16 gigs, easy, just like that.